Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang yung weekly reading for March 11 to 17, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And if you're interested in private readings, naka 30% discount tayo. Pakicheck na lang ang pinned comment at ang description. Nandyan yung link kung paano kayo makapag-book. Okay, Capricorn. Let's see what's up with you this week. Scorpio. This is transformation. Very intense ang week ninyo. May mga major changes. Maaring if you are in a relationship right now, you might have a very intense sexual connection with someone. You also have the 10th house, which is about your career. So, isa rin to sa inyong focus ngayong week na to, yung trabaho ninyo, yung career ninyo, yung mga responsibilities ninyo. And then, you have the Virgo energy, which is also about your health. So, I think, meron kayong aayusin, i-organize about your life, about your career. Yung iba nagsisimula sa bagong trabaho. Kaya ngayon, parang in-establish nyo pa yung inyong career. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring, meron kayong mga sisimulan din ng mga bagong libangan. Oo. Na makakabuti para sa kalusugan ninyo. Ano ba yung mga libangan na yan? Pwedeng anything related to physical activities like pag-exercise, hiking, biking, at kung ano-ano pa. Yung iba rin, maaring mahihilig kayo sa paghahalaman. Oo. Pagtatanim ng halaman or may mga alagaan kayong halaman, maglalagay kayo ng halaman sa bahay ninyo, mga flowers, or any ornamental plants. Or pwede rin yung mga prutas at gulay, magtatanim kayo. Thinker. Marami kayong mga iniisip ngayon, strategies kung paano nyo ma-achieve ang another level, no? Pwedeng another level sa career ninyo, sa business ninyo. So, kumbaga, you want to upgrade. Meron kayong upgrade. Chaos and conflict. May mga changes sa inyo. I think ito na yung transformation kasi maaring meron kayong nilalabanan ngayon na pagbabago tungkol sa inyong sarili. It's like yung katotohanan sa inyo na for so many years, for the longest time, iniwasan mong harapin. So ngayon, finally, you are embracing it. This is who you really are, like being more authentic. Wow, serendipity. Merong growth for you. Ayan, pag-angat. Hinihila ka ng paakyat ng good luck, ng swerte. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will experience miracles, mga lucky experiences. So, yung mga mahilig dyan na mag-bet. You may try your luck kasi merong good luck sa inyo ngayong week na to. Let's see your overall energy, Capricorn. Overall energy. Okay. Ooh, the star, Aquarius energy. This is healing. So talagang iba sa inyo, focus kayo sa health ninyo. Oo, physical health, emotional health, mental health, lahat ng health, spiritual health. And I also see you na becoming more productive. Marami ka ngayong gagawin ngayong week na to. You have the Two of Swords. So, sobrang dami mong gagawin. Maaring isa sa maging challenge sa'yo is kung ano yung uunahin mo. So, kailangan ma-manage mo yung oras at panahon mo. Ah, kumbaga, i-prioritize mo kung ano yung unang-unang dapat ma-accomplish. So, yung challenge mo, you have the Two of Wands, the Ten of Swords. Meron kayong pwedeng nahihirapan kayo ngayon na mag-let go ng isang sitwasyon na kumbaga matagal na kayong nandyan. Pwedeng relationship to, career, business, na you feel like it's no longer making you feel comfortable. Oo. Yung tipong pakiramdam mo hindi ka na umuunlad dyan, hindi ka na nag-grow. So, yun yung challenge mo kung paano mo i-let go yan. Kasi I feel like inilaban mo to eh. Oo. Kumbaga, pinush mo yung sarili mo para makita kung ano pa yung dapat mong effort na ibigay. Kasi maaring, marami ka nang ginawa para dito, pero hindi mo nakukuha yung resulta na gusto mo. 'Di ba? So, maaring this is the time for you to finally make a decision kung worth it pa ba to na effortan, worth it pa ba to na i-pursue, pagpatuloy. But I see ending rito, no? So, it's about embracing and accepting endings. Kasi nga, yung iba sa inyo may transformation na may experience. So, your opportunity, the Three of Cups. Oh, meron ditong celebration. Maaring meron kayong achievement na meron kayong goals na ma-achieve ngayong week na to na kailangan yung mag-celebrate. Oo. Pwedeng may promotion or meron kayong na-hit na target sales, ganyan. Yung iba naman, you will be connecting with more people, no? Mas magiging outgoing ka. Oo. Which is, alam mo naman na maaring magiging beneficial to sa'yo kasi mas marami kang connections na makakatulong sa'yo sa mga plans mo in the future. You also have the Five of Swords. Ayan. Meron ditong revelation ng isang tao na hindi totoo sa'yo or someone who is jealous of you, no? Parang naiinggit, no? Sa iyong mga mga achievements. So, kumbaga, aware ka doon, no? For some of you, makikilala nyo yan, alam nyo yan, nararamdaman nyo yan kung sino yan. Pero you will handle it well, no? So, kumbaga, hindi siya abot sa confrontation or I think yung iba sa inyo, iwasan nyo na lang to. Yung blessing nyo, Two of Pentacles, maraming trabaho. You have the King of Pentacles. Yes, you will be in control of your finances. Kumbaga, you will be on top of your finances. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ikaw yung magiging, mamomroblema sa pera. Yung pera ang mamomroblema sa'yo. Diba? Alam mo yun, tipong, whatever you need will be provided para sa'yo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, multiple streams of income, multiple sources of income. Kaya, very busy kayo. So, let's see the energy for your money, career, finances. Gemini energy. Yes, meron ditong learnings. Yung iba sa inyo may training or may mga self-study kayong gagawin para ma-improve pa ang inyong mga sarili. And this is also being social butterfly. So, I think you will be connecting to the right people, no? So, ibig sabihin, kung sino yung alam mong beneficial sa'yo, makakatulong sa pag-grow ng iyong career, doon ka didikit. You have the Four of Wands. Yes, this is stability in your career and your finances. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ma-achieve na kalagayan pagdating sa home life ninyo, sa bahay ninyo. Pwedeng meron kayong mabibiling bahay, lilipat ng bahay na mas komportable. And yung iba sa inyo, merong celebration talaga. Meron kayong isa-celebrate related sa career nyo at sa business nyo. It's about an achievement. Okay? Let's see your love life. Healing. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you're healing from your past. You're focusing on mending a broken heart. You have the Queen of Wands. So, yung iba sa inyo, binabaling na lang sa ibang bagay yung yung naging experiences nyo in the past na you experience pain. Kumbaga, yung tipong na heartbroken ka, so ngayon iba sa inyo may mga ginagawang physical activities, ini-involve nyo sa sarili ninyo sa mga hobbies, mga libangan para, maka-move on, maka-move forward. Resist the alluring spell of those who would deceive in business or love. Oy, ayan, be very careful, Capricorn, dahil maaring merong mga deceitful energy sa business or sa love life ninyo. And I know naman na alam nyo yan, nararamdaman nyo kung sino yung totoo, sinong hindi. So, be very careful, okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!